Summation notation or sigma notation. It is a way of getting the sum or series of the terms of a finite sequence. So this is represented by this equation wherein the symbol stands for sigma or sum. A sub n is the general term. I is the index of summation and n is our upper limit. So let's have an example. So let's get the sum of the first term to the fifth term wherein our general term is 2n. So let's identify our general term, which is our 2n. The value of our n and I is 5 and 1. And the values of the terms that we're going to use are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's substitute the value of our terms in place of n. So we will have this equation. So we will have 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4 and 2 times 5. And then let's do the operation. We will have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and 10. So once we add all these terms, we will have a result of 30. Therefore, we can say that the sum of the terms 1 to 5, wherein the general equation is 2n is equal to 30. Another one, let's have the sum of the third term to the sixth term wherein the sequence is represented by n plus 4. So the general term is n plus 4. The value of n and I is 6 and 3. And the value of our terms are 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, let's substitute the value of our terms in place of n. So we will have 3 plus 4 plus the quantity of 4 plus 4 plus the quantity of 5 plus 4 and the quantity of 6 plus 4. So do the operation inside the parentheses. We will have 7 plus 8 plus 9 and 10. So once we add all these terms, we will have a result of 34. Last one, let's have the sum of the first to fourth term of the sequence n minus 1 half. So the general term will be n minus 1 half. And then the value of our n and I is 4 and 1. Therefore, the value of our terms to be used are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let's substitute the value of our terms in place of n. So the equation will look like this. So the quantity of 1 minus 1 half plus the quantity of 2 minus 1 half plus the quantity of 3 minus 1 half and the quantity of 4 minus 1 half. Do the operation inside the parentheses, we will have 1 half plus 1 and 1 half plus 2 and 1 half plus 3 and 1 half. After doing so, add all these terms and then we will have a result of 8. Therefore, we can say that the sum of the first term to the fourth term of the sequence n minus 1 half is equal to 8.